Usually the day after Thanksgiving, a half day on Friday, stuck in right before the weekend, usually doesn't have a whole lot of significance or price movement, but there are still opportunities in these type of markets. Notice how the Dow was off a little bit. I'm sorry, the Dow was up a little bit today, maintaining this trend above the T line. The Nasdaq had a nice day, up 21 points. You can see the uptrend remains in progress. This is making for some very strong price patterns. Some big profits are being made in Amazon. Notice the little Morningstar signal acts like a mini scoop pattern, slow curve, breakout. Amazon's producing huge profit. XNET traded indecisively today, did a doji in the overbought area, so it's still having a nice profitable move, but now we have at least a format to watch to see if it's time to take profits. We wouldn't want to see it trade below today's low in Monday's trading. That would tell you the sellers have taken control and they're probably profit taking back to the T-line area. Crude oil is doing a J-hook pattern out of the classic pattern. Notice your fry pan bottom breakout. Notice how the reversal occurred with the Morningstar signal. Profit taking pullback. Notice how your new trend started with another Morningstar signal. What's the potential of crude oil? This wave right here should be the same magnitude as this wave right here. This is making for the alert to start watching for crude oil stocks that might have a good fast move. Whiting Petroleum, for example, notice it did a Morningstar signal with the bullish side starting with a doji gap up. Did a doji today. This makes for a very simple entry. If it opens positive on Monday, we're going to be buying immediately because we'll expect a doji sandwich, the same price move as this right here on Monday's trading, which means the next target becomes the 200-day moving average. Knowing what to look for as far as the strongest reversals, the strongest price move potentials based upon candlestick signals allows us, knowing that the market in general is not ready to sell off yet, to take advantage of big price moves. For example, Flexi, FLXN, did a doji gap up through the 50, broke out through this resistance level, making our next target potentially all the way up here in about the $33 area. This just puts you in situations where the probabilities are extremely strong that you're going to be moving in this direction. Candlestick analysis basically takes the guesswork out of your trading because of one simple factor, that human emotions work the same way time after time. That'll be it. Have a good weekend. We'll see you in the chat rooms.